Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord notifications not showing on desktop step by step so you never miss messages in 2026. First, check your Discord notification settings, open user settings, go to notifications, and make sure enable desktop notifications is turned on. Also, verify that taskbar flashing and unread message badge options are enabled to catch your attention. Next, check the server and channel notification settings. Right-click on the server icon, select Notification Settings, and ensure you haven't muted the server or set it to only at mentions. Similarly, check individual channels for overrides that may block notifications. Now, verify Windows notification settings. Go to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow Notifications, and Actions. Ensure notifications are enabled for Discord and that Focus Assist is turned off, as it can block alerts while gaming or working. Another common fix is running Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This allows Discord to display notifications over other applications. You should also try updating Discord to the latest version. Outdated versions may have bugs that prevent notifications from showing. Finally, restart your PC to apply all changes. After applying these steps, Discord notifications should appear reliably on your desktop. If this guide helped you, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord fixes in 2026. Stay connected and never miss an important message.